Welcome to Volza.
So first of all, thank you everyone for sparing your valuable time and joining this webinar. We really appreciate it. Once again, good evening to everyone. Welcome to our exclusive webinar for our valued paid clients. Let me briefly introduce ourselves. My name is Sakshi Bali.
And my name is Rohit Kumar.
Today, in today's webinar, where we will explore the contact parser feature in Volza, our main focus will be on effectively extracting contact details and analyzing comprehensive company profiles. With this feature, you can gain insights into a company's export-import market, buyer-supplier relationships, specific HS codes they deal with, growth comparisons, and supply chain intelligence. During this session, we will delve into the unique features and capabilities of the contact parser. By utilizing this tool, you'll be able to extract company data efficiently for any targeted company. We aim to provide you with a refined and concise understanding of how to leverage this feature effectively. Thank you for joining us, and let's embark on this informative and focused journey together. So let me quickly share my screen. I hope, Rohit, my screen is visible to you.
Yes, it is perfectly visible, Sakshi. Please go on.
Okay, so I already have one workspace that we have discussed in yesterday's webinar. Okay, so we have put here was like for the almond fig cashews for chapter 08, excluding United Kingdom as the country of destination. Okay, we have discussed the shipment results and all. Now, like after shipments, we identify few shippers and consignees, and we want to target these companies. So what we normally do is we normally tends to provide hand over these leads to our marketing team, and they just start browsing and searching on various search engines, social media platforms to get the details for these companies. But in Volza, we already have done that part for our valuable customers. At just single click, you can check all the details related to their social media platforms, their websites, their number, their email IDs, as well as their export and import statistics. So for that, you can see that all the shipper and the consignee names are color like with a hyperlink. So for any particular company details, what you need to do is you just need to simply click on the company name, like the shipper name or maybe the consignee name. So for this, I'm just clicking on this Innova Agree. So once you click on the company name, you land on this kind of page. Okay. Now let me briefly explain you that for this contact parser feature, we have two kind of profiles here. The first one would be the verified one, and the second are the non-verified, unverified profiles. Okay. So when I clicked on this Innova Agree Biopark Limited, I can see that it's a verified profile. It's already showing that one LinkedIn contact, one phone, one email, and these are the verified one. And then we have 86 additional unverified contacts and more for this particular company. Okay. So in this scenario, this is a verified profile. In case if you just want to check the numbers and all, you just need to simply click on this show icon. So once you click on the show icon, you'll be able to check all kinds of details for this particular company. Okay. The second kind of profiles could be wherein the profile is not a verified one, and you have to verify the profile in order to get the contact details of a company. So I'll just click on few more companies here. So let me click on this company profile. Okay. Now we can check, like for this, the things are not verified here. We cannot see any verified LinkedIn profile or any number present here. So in order to verify the profile, what you need to do is you have like all the details here. Okay. The very first thing that we normally tends to do is we tends to search the profiles on LinkedIn to get the contact details of their CEOs, purchase managers, marketing managers, sales head. Okay. So we already have provided you the LinkedIn profiles here. So you can just get a list from here. Okay. In order to verify, you can just simply click on this hyperlink. Once you click on this hyperlink, it will redirect you to the LinkedIn page of that company, wherein you can verify that if it's a relevant profile or not. Okay. After that, if you feel that, okay, this particular person is a verified one or a relevant profile for you, you can just simply click on yes here. In case if you feel that, no, this particular person belongs to a different company, or maybe he's of no use for you, maybe you're looking for the marketing hand and he is from the purchase department. So you can just simply mark it as no, or maybe yes, whatever is required from your end in case if you require that profile. Okay, so I'm marking no for this particular thing. So you'll see that once I have marked yes here or I have verified it, you can see that this has turned into green. Okay. In this similar manner, you have to do for websites, company location, LinkedIn, social media links, and all. So as of now, I'm just verifying. So I guess this is all that you tends to search for any company. So you have their social media pages, you have their LinkedIn profile, you have their locations, you have their websites. Each and everything you can check on a single page here. Okay. So once I have verified each from one from each section, you can see that this save and download Excel and the thumbs up has turned green. Okay. In order to download any profile, you just simply need to click on save and download in Excel. Okay. Once you click on the save and download, 1 point will be deducted from your balance. Okay. And you can check for the details here. So we have discussed two profiles. We have covered two type of profiles. First one is the non-verified one, and second one are the verified one that we have discussed here. Okay. In case, so now once you have verified the profiles, okay, the second thing that you'll find in the system is for all the verified profiles, you'll find that there is an option of find phone and find email. So now for the verified profiles, you can even check their contact details and their mail IDs. Okay. So you just need to simply click on this find phone and find email option to get their detail. Again, there would be a point deduction for this, like combinedly 1 point will be deducted for clicking on this find phone and find email. So this is how you can extract the company's mail IDs, contact details. You can even check for their social media platforms. You can check who is you can check for the LinkedIn profiles, and you can identify whom you can target. Okay. So this is all about like how you can extract the contact details for any company. Now I would like Rohit to explain further that how they can check for the company's full profile.
Thank you so much, Sakshi, for handing over it to me. So I would like to present my screen. Is the screen visible, Sakshi?
Yes, Rohit, I can see your screen.
Thank you so much for the confirmation. So as Sakshi has explained you about the contact parser functionality, how you can check out the contact details of the decision makers in the company or the specific departments, people of the designated company. So the procedure, as simply you are clicking on the name of the company and it's redirecting to a different page. And whatever the company profiles will be opening to you on that particular company's profile, there will be 3 specific sections. One section, the contact one, that was completely explained by Sakshi. And to check out the company full profile, we will deep dive into the export part of it as well as the import. So as soon as we are clicking on any of the option, whether we are clicking on import or we are clicking on export button, we will lose our 1 point from the balance profile, as according to the different subscription, we have limited number of points here. So as soon as you are clicking on import or export, only 1 point will be consumed at one single time. So as you have clicked, and it is showing you the data of the growth comparison in terms of shipments and also in values. So here you have a year-on-year comparison for almost last 3 years. And here, if you will scroll down, you will find out the HS codes this particular company deals in, And accordingly, you can also find out the shipments, the number of shipments for that particular HS code, the value of the shipments in total for that HS code. By clicking on this view all icon, you will have the look of the other HS codes this particular company deals in. If you wanted to download it, you can download it as well. So this particular sheet will be downloaded in the same format in Excel sheet. In the same view, you will be able to check this. If you scroll down more, you will find out the buyer's map for that particular company. So this company is dealing with different companies. The particular company is exporting their products to different 15 buyers, if we can check out. And this is the map country-wise here we can check out. If you wanted to check this in a tabular format, so this is the table format for it. By clicking on the table format, you will definitely get it. And this companies are dealing here, you can check out, these are the buyers for this particular company. Here on the right, you have the number of shipments these companies, these different companies have imported from the exporter, and the total value they have imported the amount of, and the number, value, percentage, and value is reflecting you here. So this is giving you just top the 5 ones, the top major 5 ones. If you wanted to view all of them by clicking on this view all button, you will be having a look of all the 15 companies. Those are buying from the shipper. For that, we have clicked on. So currently we have the company, which is Innova Agri Biopark Limited. So these are the buyers of Innova Biopark. If we more scroll down to the bottom, we will also find out the export market where this particular company is exporting to. So here we can also have a look like the value and the country here in the map format. And also we can check this in the detail here. We can hover our cursor on it to check out the details of that particular company. As soon as you are hovering on it, it will show you for that particular country. And as you take your cursor to the country, it is giving you the country's name, the numbers of buyers involved in that particular country, the shipment happened in that particular country, the total number of value that particular country has imported. So here, if you more scroll down to the bottom, it will also give you the shipments, the top shipments of that particular company. Some limited information will be provided here. You are able to check out the dates of the shipment. You are able to check out the HS code. You are able to check out the products. You will be able to check out the name of the buyers. You will be able to check out their values as well. If you wanted to click on this view also, it will give you all 100 shipments of that particular company. If you wanted to view this data in global search by clicking on this view in global search option, it will redirect you to a different page and it will show you the data in global search section. By scrolling more down, you will have a detailed growth comparison or year-on-year basis for the particular company. So the details, the values are in red. That means those are degrowing, and the values, the figures are in green. That means the growth is good in that particular period. So here we can check out that the shipment was grown in the period of 21 and 22 mainly. And as soon as hopefully the 23 year will be completed, the company will grow more. So here you will definitely have a detailed analysis of the shipments wise for the growth, as well as on value basis you are getting here, the suppliers basis you are getting, importer market also you are getting the figures here, HS code wise also you are getting the figures here. You can find out on the basis of port of origins, port of destination as well. So here you can simply find out the growth on year basis and will show you these growth and the growth of the specific company on which you have clicked on. If you more scroll down, so here this particular feature gives you the complete supply chain of the company. So the company is mentioned in the middle, Innova Agri Biopark Limited. This is the company's profile for which we are searching the data. So here in the supply chain, if we wanted to check out, so this is one company who is exporting to these different companies, these three companies, and this international environment consulting company is exporting to Far West, and Far West company is exporting to Innova. There are two more different companies who are exporting to Innova. So this is the complete chain you are getting here, like who is supplying to whom, and from there, who are the buyers for that particular company. So Innova is buying from Far West is buying from International Environment, and Innova, after buying from Far West, they or the other two different companies, they are exporting to these three different companies. So these are the buyers of Innova. These are the suppliers of Innova. So in one single page, you have a complete supply chain visible for that particular company. As soon as you hover on it, it will also show you the number of shipments as well as the value in total. More you will scroll down to the bottom, it will give you a product wise analysis of the complete supply chain on the basis of product. So these are the different HS codes where this particular company is importing in, and these are the different HS codes where this particular company is exporting in. So in each section, we can check out the buyers as well as the suppliers. So this company is importing from different HS codes from different companies, which you can track out here. This company is exporting to under these different HS codes and exporting to these different companies, which you can check out here. More you will scroll down to the bottom, it will show you the trading partners accordingly in terms of import as well as the export. So here you can simply find out that Innova is exporting to different two origins, and here you can check out the United States as well as China is mentioned, and these are the buyers of China and the United States. And here you can check out where they are importing from. So this was the complete supply chain of the company on which you are clicking. I'll scroll to the top to show you the import profile as well. As soon as you are clicking on the import profile, so it is giving, this time it will be giving you the complete import profile of the particular company. So here you have a similar sort of understanding of this complete analysis, the growth path of that particular company on year basis as well, their shipments, their growth in terms of value, in terms of shipment and suppliers, import market, HS code, product code. You can find out the different supply chains as well in terms of buyer, supplier, also on the basis of products as well. So as soon as you are clicking on any of the tab, whether you are clicking on import or you are clicking on export tab, this particular company's profile is being saved in the company's tab. So we have the company's tab available here in our Volza platform. And whenever you are clicking on any of the company, all the companies are saved here. Whether you click on import or you click on export, or you are saving the company for the contact person feature by clicking on show button or by clicking on save and download icon, all of the companies will be saved here in this specific section. So this particular section shows you the companies which you have saved, and on each company you are able to check out some of the heart icons are also available. By clicking on this heart icon, you are able to mark the specific company as favorite. You are able to see a circle here which is showed in green color. That means you have viewed the import or the export full profile of that particular company. Here you can check out like how many contacts you have saved, you have reviewed the phone or email, you can find it here. If you wanted to mark this particular company as your prospect buyer, you can select it. You wanted to mark the company as your